Today's recipe is guaranteed to be a welcome treat at any breakfast table. Howard shows us how to make raspberry streusel muffins in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I want to give you a heads up that tomorrow is Groundhog Day. So after you get up and make your morning coffee, you're going to want to see if Punxsutawney Phil sees his shadow. Let's hope he doesn't so we can say goodbye to winter. And while you're waiting, we have a rise and shine muffin that'll go perfect with your coffee. We start out by mixing together some melted butter, a bit of milk, an egg, and a splash of vanilla until they're well combined. Now, to that, we add our dry ingredients, which is simply some flour, sugar, baking powder, and a touch of salt. Once the batter is smooth, we gently stir in some fresh raspberries, and we want to be careful not to break them up. And now for the part that turns ordinary muffins into extraordinary muffins. After we spoon the batter into muffin cups, we top these with a mixture we made by combining some flour and brown sugar with a bit of melted butter. And don't be surprised if everyone begins sticking their heads out of their bedroom doors while these are baking. No, they're not looking for their shadow, but wondering what smells so darn good. Of course, it'll be these raspberry streusel muffins. And like always, the recipe's online, which is perfect no matter how many more weeks of winter lie ahead. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we discovered muffins that, beyond a shadow of a doubt, are ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.